Hello you guys, this is Alison from First Love Blog. Today I will compare two pairs dunk. Compare our gold version to the real one. Our gold version is 100%, the same as the retail one. So you will find that all the materials and the details the same as the real. By the way, under this video, you can find a link to our customer reviews Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more reviews in the near future.
第一次见面的时候，我马上心动了。Oh girl， 你迷人的发尾，记得亲你的时候，你害羞往后退。我甜甜的想念着远远的你，你淡淡的发香是迷人的谜。You know， 不愿意失去你，人群在熙攘，我也可以瞬间抓住你。亲爱的，我的双，告诉我 who you love。
Now let me show you the details.
喜欢你是我的秘密，深度就像在海底10万米。我欣赏日出和日落的奇秘，海着天空的深爱着你。我没有全部 count for ya， 我的爱也全部 count for ya。Baby， 这是我给你的礼物，只想把你藏在我心底。所有美好全部 count for ya， 我的爱也全部 count for ya。Baby， 这是我给你的礼物。想把你藏在我心底。
Thank you for watching my video. Any question, just send me messages and I hope I can help you. Thank you. See you next time.
就像在海底10万米，我欣赏日出和日落的奇秘，海着天空。